Hello children, in the previous class I explained you noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective. Now I am going to explain you conjunction, preposition, interjection and articles. Firstly, I'll start with conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to connect words, phrases or clauses within sentences. One sentence to another sentences. It is also known as a connector. It is a parts of speech. Remember, conjunction is a joining word. You can understand easily by seeing this image. A conjunction is a word which joins together sentences and sometimes words. See here, 2 and 2 make 4 and is the conjunction. The man is poor but honest, but is the conjunction in this sentence. Now preposition. A preposition is a word which shows relationships among other words in the sentence. The relationships may include direction, place, time, cause, manner and amount. Examples. She went to the store. It is a direction. He came by bus. Manner. They'll be here at 3 o'clock. Time. It is under the table. Place. And now interjections. Interjections are words used to express some sudden feeling or emotion. Hooray! I have passed the exam. Hooray is the interjection. Wow, that's really great news. Wow is the interjection. Another image. Ouch, yuck, oh no. These are the interjections. And now articles. Articles are very useful little words. There are two kinds. Indefinite articles include a and an, refer to non-specific nouns. Meanwhile, the is a definite article and is used to refer a specific person, place, thing or idea. How to use articles? A and the. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, etc., a comes before the noun. For example, a dog, a chicken, a boy, a teacher, a girl, a lesson, a website, etc. Now an is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u, an comes before the noun. For example, an umbrella, an owl, an image, an hour, an enemy, an author, etc. And we use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable to describe someone or something specific or unique. Examples: the moon, the world, the sun, the atmosphere, the rain, the south, the west, the north, etc. Today we have done with parts of speech and articles. And in the next class, we'll start up with new topic, tenses. Thank you.